This is what we're making. Peony shortbread cookies with a blackberry glaze. And as you can see, it's such a dreary day. I think we should have something springy and summery like peonies and blackberries. Good morning, guys. It's good to see you all.
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine. In the shade of a tree and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath away.
So we literally have no idea where we are. It's a gray, rainy day. Weather has not improved since the day I went out and picked the peony petals. Okay, so now that I have all of my petals, I'm gonna go in and it takes, it's a 24-hour steep time. So let's go steep some petals and then we'll finish this tomorrow.
The longer I've waited, the more that I've tried.
Well, while we wait for these flowers to soak and get all the buggies out, I bought some bird seed. Let's go put that in the bird feeder. Well, that belongs to him now. I picked this up. Like, what's in there? Oh my gosh, and I put it back. Not sure what I'm gonna do with that, but not messing with the wasp right now. Okay, well, that was a bust. I'm gonna go put these pinwheels in my new garden beds. Maybe that'll keep the squirrels away. And that's what they look like now. Now, most of the petals are in here, and there are no stamens, and there are no ants, just petals. And then we're gonna make a tea basically out of this, but it has to steep overnight. And now I just cover this and we wait. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Nah, it's not gonna be morning. And I'll see you guys sometime tomorrow. I refrigerated them because I didn't feel like making these the next day, but it's the day after that, and I've made the peony syrup. It's not a flavor profile I know at all. I've never in my life have had peony syrup, but I was intrigued. I have a ton of peonies out there. I thought, well, why not? Let's try it. Let's experiment. But let's go. Let's go make some peony shortbread cookies. I found the recipe at hungrywoman.com. I'll leave the link below. It's actually a recipe for rose shortbread, but instead of rose, we're gonna try the peony syrup. I've actually cut the recipe in half because I'm running low on butter. So it takes half a cup of powdered sugar and it takes 1 stick of butter, room temperature. So we're gonna cream the butter and the sugar together, and then once it's creamy, we're gonna add the flour and 2 tablespoons of our peony syrup. And then we add 3/4 of a cup of flour. And then 2 tablespoons of our peony syrup. Let's try one of these Peony Shortbread cookies with a Blackberry Glaze. All right, here goes nothing. I really taste the blackberry, I don't taste the peony. Maybe I should have added a couple more tablespoons of peony. It is really yummy though. I love blackberry. It's one of my favorite flavors. I just love blackberry. I don't like blackberry seeds, but I do love blackberry. The peony, maybe the blackberry's overpowering the peony. I do have one cookie. Let me try it. Okay, so I have one Franken cookie. It couldn't be cut with the cookie cutter, so I just smushed it down and baked it anyway. So let's try that one. It doesn't have any of the blackberry glaze on it. Let's see if I can taste the peony. So the peony flavor is very subtle, but it's still delicious. I don't think these need a glaze on them. They're really good just plain. My poor Franken cookie. I think you could eat these just without a glaze. These are really delicious. Guys, if you try it, let me know. Let me know how it turned out for you. I would add more peony syrup if you wanted it to taste more like peony. But guys, that's all I have for today. It was an experiment. I wanted to try something with peonies because I'd never had that before, and you know, it's a rainy day, a good day for baking. But guys, thanks for coming along. I'll see you in the next one. If you liked it, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.